that.
I will send it. Can you see yung screen? Share?
Yes.
Or wala? Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, explain ko ulit ha. Yung last video na pinanood nyo, yung T's, di ba? 4 T's. Basta lahat ng T's means tens. Remember? Yung place value na tinuro doon sa isang video. Yung tens, 100. Di ba yung 21? Yung T's, TY means 10. Kaya nga 20. 20, 30. Basta lahat ng TY, 40. Ibig sabihin tens. Kaya nga 4 times 10, 40. Di ba sa English?
Okay.
Gets nyo? So, same din siya sa Chinese. Actually, you have no problem with the 10, 100, and 1,000 kasi the concept is the same with the English. Your problem starts with the 10,000, which is very different from the English counting. So, we will discuss 10,000 today. So, do you have any question about from 11 up to 99? Any question? Or no question? Wala na ha. So, you know how to say 55? Who wants to try 55 in Chinese?
Sure po.
Okay, and how? Okay, so I will jump na. Yung 1,000, you know na rin, okay? So, ang pinaka-principle for you to remember all of this, you need to memorize this 4. Ito, andali na. Sure, ang ganda ng mouse ko. Ayan, the sure, pi, chen, 1. If you memorize all these 4, you're good to go. Ayan, meaning you can go na. Okay, you will, it will be easy for you if you memorize this one. The same lang sa English, di ba? 10, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Diba? So, yun. Sure, pi, chen,
1.
Okay.
Yeah.
Ang English kasi, explain ko lang ha, in English, we start from 1,000 up to 9,999. We use 1,000, right? Actually, up to 10,000, we still use the 1,000. But in Mandarin, the 10,000, we use a different place value. We don't use chen, kaya you got confused with this one. Also, for you to remember, to memorize this 4, I have a concept to share para easy for you. Yung lang for, what do you call this? Sequential memorization. Ayan. So, 10,000 ang iwan. So, assuming 1 is a father, generous father siya, he adopted, yung first child is sure. So, yung adopted child, follow his surname. So, sure 1 siya. And then, second child, he adopt another second child, pi. So, si pi magiging pi 1. He follow his father's surname. And then, he adopted another child, the last child, Chen. Chen ang name, naging Chen 1.
Chen 1.
Ayun. So, yun. So, he has 3 child. Ayan. 3 kids. Ayan. So, yun. Under sa name niya kasi legal sila. Ayan. Yan, para maalala nyo. Sure, pi, Chen. Okay, tapos yung last one, EE, 100 million, which I will not be discussing. Kasi normally, I think, ang transaction nyo is up to mga 10 million siguro, or 90 million, or 99 million, pwede. Ayan.
Ako may sobrang 100 M.
Meron ka? Ganon din. Same principle lang. Yung number that you see at the bottom, you just follow
Ano
it.
po yun? Yung 100 million?
E number, TE siyang, di ba? Yung EYI, thesis siyang EE. Yun.
EE?
So, yes.
100 million is EE?
Yes. EE.
So, pag 200 million po,
yes. Liang
E.
Yes. Yan. So on and so forth. Tapos, san E. Ayan. Ayan. Okay? So, I will explain now. So, we have no problem with the sequential, right? So, the problem right now is when you write, di ba, as you can see, 4 na, 4,000. 4 na, K. Let's use the K as representative ng 1,000. Okay ba yon? Para hindi magulo? Basta, di ba, 5K. When we say 5K, it's 5,000. So, 10K is 10,000. Okay. So, start tayo dito sa 10K. Always remember, all the numbers that you will see na may 1, you can only write it once. Meaning, even if I put a number here, starting with 10 million, I cannot write 1 here, 1, and 1, and 1. Meaning, you cannot write 4 times the 1. You can only write 1 time. And it always fall on 10,000 yung writing. Sa father magfo-fall kay father ang writing ng 1. Etong this 3, no 1. Mahirap tong 1. Not O-N-E the 1 na 10K. Wala. You cannot write this one, all the red. Ayan, you cannot write. Kasi marirepeat siya eh. Explain ko sa inyo. Okay? So, no writing. Ngayon, second principle, for you to remember, kasi di ba ang nasa isip nyo, 10,000 isipin nyo. Sure ang gagamitin nyo, di ba? Kasi translated sa English in your mind is 10,000, so sure. Sure. Iniisip nyo, sure Chen siguro. Hindi pwede. Pag sinabi mong sure 1, 100,000. So, in your mind, pag sinabi natin 10,000, tandaan nyo muna si 1. Okay, 1. Ngayon, pag 1. Tapos, ngayon, pag 100,000, 100, okay, ito, sure. Di ba, sure lang. So, iniisip nyo na naman, 10 lang yan. So, para maalala nyo, pag may katabing 1, si sure, dagdag ka ng isang 0. So, from 10, 10K na nasa isip nyo, you plus another 0. So, magiging 100,000.
Sure 1.
Nagigets nyo yung explanation? Diba? Parang 10K. Pag narinig nyo yung sure 1, may katabi siyang 1, plus ka ng 0. So, magiging 100,000. Tapos dito, pi, 1. Ay, ilan ng pi? Ilan ang 0 ng pi, Kat?
2 po.
100, dalawang 0, di ba? So, plus ka ulit ng 0. Kasi may katabi siyang 1 eh. So, magiging 1,000, tama? 1,000 times 1,000. Kaya, 1 million. Okay? Tapos, ito, pag naring mo si Chen, tatlong 3 zeros, plus, ilang 0 i-add natin?
4.
1, 1 0.
Isa lang, 1.
Okay. So, magiging 4 0. Tama?
Times
Tama.
1.
4 0.
Is 1,000.
Times 10,000. So, 10 million. So, yun. Okay, so, ngayon, ito na yung reading. Start muna tayo sa 345,671. So, dito, sige, paanong reading? Ito yung number, 345,671. Paano yung Chinese na ito? Sinong gusto mag-try?
100,000 is...
345,671.
So, San Shiwan.
Okay, San Shiwan. Okay. San Shiwan. Kinuha nito ni Dailin yung sure, saka yung 1 dito, ha? Okay, San Shiwan. Then, continue.
Tapos,
Teka lang.
345,000.
San Shiwan, sabi mo, San Sure,
San
Sure, naiwan mo yung 4. Iwan mo siya.
Shiwan.
San
1. San Sure, 1.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shan
Sure,
Shan Shiwan.
No.
Sure, 1.
Listen. San Sure, tama na si Dai. San Sure, kunin mo na. 1. And then, Wu, tuloy.
Wu
5,000. Wu
Chen.
Ken.
Wu Tian. Pai.
Liu,
Pai.
Pai.
Liu
then,
Pai.
Chi. Sure.
Chi.
Chi.
Sure. Sure.
Teacher
Okay,
A.
good. So, nakuha nyo? Nakuha nyo ba? Ito, i-try mo na. Si Kat,
It's
try mo.
confusing. It's confusing kasi 3, 4 and then you said 3, 4 and then you said 1. Bakit dito
Yes.
so after
Isang
the
1 lang. You
the
cannot do 2 times na 1. Only 1. I told you, di ba? Si
Yeah.
Father lang makakuha ng reading ng 1. Remember, si 10,000.
Father lang. Okay.
Pwede bang wala si Father?
Try mo lang.
Ito lalo pag ano si
Pa.
Father.
Pa Chen.
Hindi, 9,345,671. Sa 9 million pa lang tayo. Jo.
Okay.
Pa.
Jo. Pai. San.
Pai.
San Sure.
Pai.
Two.
Shan.
1.
2, 5.
Wu Chen.
Oh.
Liu.
Yan.
Pai.
Pai.
Chi. Sure. E.
Sure.
Okay, good.
E.
Nagets
Again.
ka? Pat?
Again,
Mahaba
Joe,
yan.
ano, pa, I did not get it. Pa,
Which one?
Joe, Chen, ay,
Ayun,
Joe,
Joe, Pai. Ayun po, Pai siya, di ba?
Joe
Ibon.
Pai.
Simula sa 8, ano yung,
Katapat
ba't
niya.
nawala yung 8?
Joe Pai.
Sa 9 lang
Hindi
muna tayo,
muna,
9
mamaya
lang.
pa, 9 muna. 9 to 3
Okay.
million.
Akala ko kasi
Pai.
nasa,
Ayun. Tapos, San, kunin mo yung number muna bago place value. Always number, place value.
Joe Pai, Sancher,
One.
1.
Always remember ha, ang reading ng 1 sa father, si 10,000. Yun lang. Wu Qian, Liu Pai, Qi Shi Yi. Ayan. Last one. Surely you want to try the 10 million? Ayun.
pa,
Hindi, si Dailin, pag ayaw mo.
Ah, teka muna.
Wag muna, wag muna.
Mahirap
Pa.
ka.
oh,
Pa
bigyan
Chen,
lang.
Okay, go.
Pa
Pa,
Chen,
Sino ba?
Jim.
Nanas o si ano? Isa lang. Kasi para malinaw yung recording.
Nanes.
Nanes, go. Pachen.
Pa Chen,
Hmm.
Ju, Pai,
Yes.
San, Shi,
Hmm.
Su,
Wag yung one.
Wan,
Yes. San Su Wan.
Wu, Chen,
Yes.
Liu,
Two,
Pai,
Hmm.
Shi, Shi, Yi,
Chi. Ayan, Chi, Shi, Yi.
E.
Chi, Chi, Shi, Yi.
Yi. Ayun.
Oh,
Gets nyo?
yeah.
Yung Pai ma, gets na? Ayun.
Yeah.